All right, so here we are. Pretty thrilled to announce that I am launching a new venture in recruiting with Clarence Thomas, who's here with me today. Hey, Clarence.
Hello, everyone. Hello,
Yeah,
Russ.
hey. So Clarence and I thought it would be a really cool idea to document our new recruiting business from day one over the next 6 months to a year, however long it takes for us to hit over $1 million in revenue. And what we're going to do is dive into two niches that we're going to marry together. So Clarence has extensive background in cryptocurrency and blockchain and NFTs. And I've got a background in the 5G wireless infrastructure niche. And so we're going to marry these two together and go after it fast and feverish and start getting clients and candidates. And I'm just super thrilled to be doing this again and also to be documenting it. Now, when I say documenting, I'm talking about our meetings that I have with Clarence, my activity every day, Clarence's activity, the way we set up meetings with new clients, the way we source and recruit candidates, showing clients our process that's very defined. And hopefully, if you're out there and you're thinking about starting a new recruiting business, there's value in what we're doing where you can take parts and pieces and copy exactly what Clarence and I are going to do on this journey to help you get out of the 9 to 5 monotony and start fulfilling your own dream and starting your own recruiting company. So I've talked too much. Clarence, have at it.
Thank you, Russ. So, no, I am very excited and very humbled that Russ, extended the opportunity. As you will see throughout this documentary, I discovered recruiting on September the 1st, 2022, which was basically 90 days ago, as when I discovered this industry. Immediately dove in. I started, as I do anything, I became obsessed with learning as much as I could. I started consuming as much YouTube content as I could find, searching for mentors or a mentor. As with anything I learned in life, I typically go down to one mentor or primary. That quickly became Russ. It genuinely did. I'm not just saying this. Consumed everything that he put out. I said, this guy makes the most amount of sense. He's the most professional. I got to find a way to connect with this guy and learn from him. And then within a very short window later, here we are. I think it was a month and a half from us meeting, even maybe less than that. We became partners. And yes, we very much look forward to that. And as Russ can say many times in his life, as I can say many times in my life, there have been many ventures I've taken on. Russ has as well, to where when I get to those points of success later, and people said, "Oh man, you had it so easy," "Oh man, you got lucky." I say, keep that luck crap in your pocket. First off, second off, I said I wish that I could have documented the journey so that you see the struggles and the successes and how, hey, it's not easy for anyone. It's a matter of going in, taking massive action, learning, adjusting, recalibrating, and keeping moving. So we hope that recording our journey provides as much value to you as it does to us documenting. Thank you.
Yeah, I can't think of a better way for others to learn how to run, start, operate a recruiting business, be profitable, get clients, get candidates. I mean, there's three predominant challenges that everyone kind of faces when they start a recruiting business. How am I going to get clients at scale? How am I going to find candidates? And how am I going to scale internally once things start really taking off? So my goal is to address all those challenges through this documentation, through this journey. And so far, Clarence and I have worked on a really hyper targeted cold email campaign, which we're excited about, which we're in the process of warming up several email domains right now. And we're looking at having, I think, 750 cold emails going out here in the next few days, right, Clarence, or month or something? Yeah.
Yes, in the next 24 to 48 hours, we'll have 360 emails starting. At the end of December or early January, we will scale that up to 900 emails daily. And we'll probably even add a little bit more on the 5G side and go ahead and make that a four-figure number, over 1,000 a day.
Yeah. Yeah. And I'm not really well versed in cold email. I don't really teach a lot of that in Recruitemy, as you know, if you follow my videos, but Clarence has really dived into that and I'm good with it. So we've got some really good follow-up techniques once we get a response from a cold email that we're working on too, which we'll show you. that helps increase your conversions. I'll give you a little secret right here that Clarence taught me. If you get a response from a cold email, it behooves you to get a hold of that person within 5 to 10 minutes is a much higher conversion with that client, right? Clarence, you're sharing that with me.
Yes, yes, absolutely. That's from studying several people already in that industry that specifically sell packaged cold email solutions. They have repeatedly, there's been one common denominator, and that's responding within 5 to 10 minutes, and also giving some type of material leading up to the call. In our case, will be a short 3.5, 4 minute video, short sort of promotional video, and what we do and what we don't do, so that we can also, as some people refer to as video auditing, where the client can also determine, hey, no, we're really not looking for this type of solution, save themselves times and energy as well as us. And on the flip side, they can see our professionalism and hopefully get very sold even before the first call. And that's our agenda, at least.
Yeah, no, Clarence had shared the video with me last week that he has designed once we get a cold email response. And I was just super impressed. And basically what it does, it weeds out the tire kickers. I mean, look, our time is valuable. Your time is valuable in recruiting. You don't want to be on the phone all day with clients who aren't serious about hiring candidates or are using, 100 other recruiting companies or don't see the value in paying a fee to a recruiter. Like, I have no time for those clients, and you should not either. A lot of times when people start in recruiting, they work in an area of desperation and fear, and that tends to drive people to take really bad rated business like B and C level business that you don't need to take. So anyways, I'm really excited about this. We're going to share with you what scripts we're using in cold email once we test them and see which ones convert well. We're doing a ton of A/B testing. So we'll share that with you, our video follow-up script and everything else. And just, our promise to you is to be fully transparent to help you learn from us and start your own recruiting company, fulfill your own dream.
Absolutely. Love it.
Good stuff. All right, guys, stay tuned.